All right, gentlemen, today we're talking about the perfect fragrance. Does it exist? Can it be formulated? And if the perfect fragrance exists, what properties should it have? All of this is being covered in today's video. Now, right off the bat, I know a lot of you guys are going to say, Antonio, there is no perfect fragrance. Every human being is unique. Therefore, different fragrances are going to work differently with each individual. Now, I agree that every human's unique and fragrances are going to react differently. However, if there was a perfect fragrance out there, I do believe that it would have standards. It would have set properties that would make it better than the vast majority of fragrances out there, and it would be an easy blind buy. Now, to better explain this, I've got a special guest today, Jeremy of Jeremy Fragrance.
Hello guys, thank you Antonio. The perfect fragrance. What is the perfect fragrance? Guys, this is Jeremy and today I'm going to tell you what is important to me in a fragrance. As you know, I'm currently the leading fragrance blogger. So I tell people which fragrances to wear when, which is the best winter fragrance, the best summer fragrance, and the list goes so on and so forth. And we came this far that I'm now releasing my own fragrance with master perfumer Alberto Morillas. In creation of my own fragrance as well as judging other fragrances, there are three key things that are very important to me. First of all, the fragrance has to last a long time. Performance is key. Secondly, it has to be very mass appealing. Many people have to like it. You have to get a lot of compliments for it if you wear it. The ladies have to love it. Key as well. So long lasting, mass appealing, and thirdly, uniqueness. So with staying mass appealing, you also want to smell different than the rest. And that is the most hard thing to do for fragrance creators, because everybody can release a fragrance that smells like everything else and will say, yeah, it smells good, but smells like this and this. So this was key in my brand as well, to not make a fragrance that smells like everything else, but still hits the taste of the masses and also lasts a long time. So we are here that far that we came to this baby right here. This is the formula of my first fragrance. The code name is here Day 45, which means Alberto Morillas, the master perfumer of this fragrance, took 45 tries until he finally gave this one free with me that we put it in production. So this is we put a lot of work on this thing right here. It is a very nice fragrance. It opens up with a lot of freshness, transitions to more depth, fruity depth, woody depth, and then has a brutally long-lasting finish that keeps it on your skin for a very long time. Has a very nice scent trail after you. So in creation of this, I wanted to make the perfect office fragrance. This one is called Office for Men. So this smells like authority. This smells fresh and clean. This smells sexy. These are the things that this fragrance smells like. So that's my recommendation, guys. The campaign for pre-order is out right now. We kept it in a very simplistic pre-order only flacon. Looks like this. So you will see this fragrance will come in a pre-order only limited edition. So if you get this one, this will be very special in a few years. This seriously was the first batch ever of my fragrance. I want to thank Antonio very much for the support. Of course, we will see us all again at Menfluential 2019. Thank you. Peace.
All right, guys, so I want to be clear. This was not sponsored. Jeremy is my friend. I am proud to support him. I've been talking with him about this for a long time, since the idea came up, and I'm just so proud of my friend that he took the bull by the horns. He went out there, he made his dream happen, and I mean, he partnered up with Alberto. This is going to be amazing. Guys, Fragrance One, Office for Men. I'm linking to it down in the description. Go support this Kickstarter. It's going to be amazing, and you're going to be part of the dream. So guys, this is what you're backing. A huge idea. When you wear this fragrance, you're going to associate everything that was a part of this, and you know you're going to have something unique, something that's going to be amazing, something that's going to get you compliments, and something that's going to help you stand out from the crowd. I'm linking to his Kickstarter down in the description. Go check it out, guys. It's not going to be available forever. Be a part of this dream. That's it, gentlemen. Take care. I'll see you in the next video. I don't know how he does that spin. I've got to work on that. Just about fell over there. Yes, Jeremy is the master of that. He's good at that. I'm not a spinner, sorry.